In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Shopify with AliExpress step by step. First, head over to the Shopify website and log into your Shopify account using your email and password. Once you're inside the Shopify dashboard, choose the store you want to connect with AliExpress. Next, use the search bar inside Shopify and search for dropshipping apps that support AliExpress integration. From the results, look for apps like DSers or AliExpress dropshipping tools that help import products directly into your Shopify store. Open the app page and click Install to add the app to your Shopify store. Shopify will ask for permission to connect the app with your store. Click Install App to continue. After the app is installed, open it from your Apps section inside Shopify. Now you'll be prompted to connect your AliExpress account. Log into your AliExpress account to complete the connection. Once connected, you can start browsing AliExpress products and importing them directly into your Shopify store with just a few clicks. You'll also be able to automate order fulfillment, sync inventory, and update pricing automatically depending on the app you choose. Before publishing products, make sure to edit product titles, descriptions, images, and pricing so your store looks professional and unique. Thanks for watching.